What's going on, everybody? Judd Burden here. Sorry, that was we've been trying to go live here for a while from the desktop, but unfortunately, it's been a bit of a challenge. We've had to go to the iPad, Facebook. I don't know what they're doing. They're starting to do something. I'm just going to share this out to a few groups here, and then Justin should be on right very soon here. Let me go ahead and pull Justin into this. This is about nighttime seal coating. There he is.
I'm here.
We spoke earlier, I guess it was, when was it? End of last week, we started speaking about this?
Yep, I believe Friday.
Friday, and the topic came up because there's a big hole when we look in Google and we look in different places, there's a big hole where there's questions being asked about nighttime asphalt maintenance and things you need to think about and things you want to bring and that kind of stuff. And so when there's a hole in an industry, there's risk for potential, mishaps, time lost. It impacts the industry poorly because maybe somebody doesn't do something that they should have from a safety perspective or a curing perspective or whatever it is, that can kind of have a bad rap on what it is that we're all involved with, which is this industry. So why don't you tell everybody a little bit about yourself? I know a lot of people on USA Seal Coaters, know you, and but for those that don't know you, can you go ahead and just kind of give us a little bit of background and share your awesome story?
Well, I'm Justin, the owner of Cola Asphalt. I've been following this dream of mine now for 5 years. My dad had a good friend that started out doing this for him, paving all his parking lots when he bought a building or whatever he would do. And it was something I always wanted to do. And I just kept finding myself going right back to asphalt, even though I was following different jobs and trying to open up different businesses. And I just had a thing for asphalt. So I finally had the courage and a little bit of money saved up to try it. And I can tell you, my first year of doing research online, just like you say, there was holes in everything, and there's nights where I just thought I knew I thought I knew I did my research, and I went out and did the job. And I can tell you, I lived and learned on some of the projects that I've started and finished to now. So it's been a big learning experience, and this is my 5th year now. And I can tell you, I wish I knew now what I did when I first started. I can tell you that. So, but it's been fun. The night work is it's something, especially from Florida to here, and I've did a lot of work in Florida and come back to Michigan, and everything's just different.